G'day, here's a nice piece of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. Material's been wetted to accentuate the colours, rules in millimetres. It's quite hard material from Winton area, so give you a nice bright polish. Even the patterns in the stone are pretty. Basically this is the stone, little face of opal here, main stone is over here, and get another stone out through here I think. Doesn't look like there's any other seams running through it. Maybe take that brown off there and it should run into that I think. Piece like this you can see where the opal's run into the crack and not filled it up completely. You can almost see like the flow line here where it's gone in. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed that. Cheers.